God bless you most especially today of all days because it's your birthday. And I hope that you have a really good one and feel truly loved and celebrated. And please know that together with your friends, I also celebrate your life. And I personally want to thank you for all of the years of love and support and for being a blessing to me. I hope that you know that I also root for you and your happiness and your success.
Hi, Daryl! Happy birthday! How old are you na? Enjoy ka dyan, ha? Ikain mo na lang ako. May cake ka ba? God bless you. Don't forget to pray.
Of course, I wish you all the best. I wish that all your heart's desires will come true and come to life. And good luck sa iyong karera. And continue sharing joy and information online.
This is Dax Martin at nais kong batiin ng happy birthday si Daryl Del Mundo. Happy birthday, may have many more birthdays to come. And of course, syempre, ako ang bumabati sa iyo. Dapat magpalakpakan ng lahat na may kasamang sigawan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Daryl Del Mundo. Happy birthday sa iyo. Sana maraming birthday ang makuha mo. More. I love you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come, more blessing and good health to you. Love you. Hope I can see you soon. Ingat.
Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka parate. God bless. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your birthday. Bye! Mwah.
Christian Bautista, happy birthday. This is my gift for you, a kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Happy birthday. There's a taste of birthday mo raw. With so many friends. So enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello! Happy birthday. Sana na. Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Happy birthday. Ang prayer ko ay sana'y mas maging malusog, maging masaya, at mas maging maunlad. Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and once again, mula po sa aking puso, isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye!
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Let me do something. It's found in the book of Psalms, second, 92nd Psalm, 14th verse. It says, I will keep you fruitful even in old age, fresh and green. So I'm not going to say how old you are, because really, if that promise is real, then you never really get old, right? Happy birthday. See ya.
I just wanted to say, happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, and all the best. God bless.
I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Years to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. Don't forget to pray to God. Thank you. Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power at lagi po ingatan ang inyong health.
Hello! Binabati ko ng isang napakasayang happy birthday si Daryl Del Mundo. Happy birthday, Daryl. Wish you more birthdays to come, more wishes to come true. God bless you, Daryl. Mwah. Chup. Ito po si Eagle bumabati ng happy birthday kay Daryl Del Mundo.
Daryl Del Mundo, happy birthday sa'yo, pare. What's up? Ano ba yan? Greetings ni Eagle sa'yo. Ang tamlay. Walang ka-energy. Ako yung tropa mo, tol. Happy birthday. O ano, sino magbublo ng candle mo dyan? Wait for me. Daryl, it's your birthday, right? Wag na wag ka mang chicks dyan. Gasto yan. Sakit sa ulo yung mga babae. Okay? Wait for me. I will blow your candle. Happy birthday sa'yo, pare. See you soon pagbalik mo sa Pilipinas, okay? Enjoy your special day. God bless. What's up, tol? Daryl Del Mundo. It's your birthday. Oh, come on. O ano, mag-chicks tayo? Okay, mag-chicks tayo, ha? Pero pag walang chicks, usapan to. Tayo-tayo na lang din. Ano pa yan? Si Igil, ang tamay-tamay. Walang kakwenta-kwenta. Pare, happy birthday!
This is Joshua Garcia Binabati ka. Seriously, happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday. Have a good one. Godspeed. Si Rocco po ito. Gusto ko kayo batiin ng happy birthday at sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa special day niyo po. Happy birthday at love na love kayo ng pamilya niyo. Happy birthday po!
Hi, Daryl Del Mundo. Happy birthday. Ito si Ate Kay. Enjoy mo ang birthday mo. Kita tayo sa Abu Dhabi sa July 4. Andyan ako with Dubai. Happy birthday. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hello, Daryl Del Mundo. Happy birthday. Sana lahat ng wishes mo matanggap mo agad-agad. And I hope to meet you very soon. Cheers.
Hi, James. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Have fun. Take care.
What's up? It's David Licauco. Just wanting to greet you a happy birthday. Syempre, hindi ko makalimutan yung birthday mo. So, ayun. I hope that lahat ng dreams mo matupad. At saka, I heard that you're very good looking and you're nice and you're a sweet person. So, hopefully, someday, I'll meet you. At saka, yun. Sana dumaming projects mo. Ano pa ba? Yun, God bless you. Stay safe. Tsaka, ayan, magkita tayo someday. Ingat.
Hello, Daryl Del Mundo. Happy birthday to you at sa mga kasamahan mo dyan sa Abu Dhabi. God bless you all. Ito si Dang Cruz na bumabati sa iyo na happy birthday. Ingat kayong lahat dyan. God bless you. Happy birthday, Daryl Del Mundo. Hi, Daryl Del Mundo, tsaka sa mga kasamahan mo dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Ito si Dang Cruz, bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday. God bless you. Ingat kayong lahat dyan. Pasensya na sa aking itsura ngayon at galing tayo sa LGBTQ parade. God bless you all. Stay safe.
Hi, Daryl. Happy birthday. Pagbati mula dito sa Makati Comedy Bar Asiana Hotel. Happy birthday to you. And we wish you all the blessings in life and that God will continue showering you more blessings. God bless you and I hope to see you soon here. Mwah!
Okay, start.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Daryl. Hindi ako mahanda. Nandito ako sa 7-Eleven at nagkakape. All the way from 7-Eleven to Pilipinas. And more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. Happy birthday, Daryl.
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.
Hey, Daryl. Happy birthday. And thank you for all that you've done for us. Since the apocalypse started, we wrote everyone's names down here. So today is your birthday. So thank you.
Hi, this is Ian Mina. I would like to greet you, Daryl, a happy birthday. And hope to see you soon. God bless. Enjoy your day. Hi, Daryl. Happiest birthday sa'yo. Sana nakahabol ako sa greeting. Pasensya ka na. Ang wish ko sa'yo, of course, good health and everyday happiness. Enjoy your special day, Daryl. Happy birthday. Mwah.